So, hi ma. So, in the previous class, we have started with the combined mean here. So, same topic I am going to discuss here. So, once you see here, the mean weight of 150 students of BCom class is 60 kgs he has given. So, the mean weight of 150 students, nothing but in total in a BCom class, there are 150 students. And their mean weight, nothing but combined mean he has given here. Combined mean is how much? 60 kgs. Nothing but boys and girls. Their combined mean is how much here? 60 kgs. Okay, the mean weight of boys is 70 kgs he has given. Okay, and that of girls is 55 kgs he has given. Nothing but mean weight of boys, mean 1. Okay, mean 1 is how much here? 70 kgs, and mean 2 is how much here? 55 kgs. Find the number of boys and girls in the class here said. Nothing but here we have to find N1 and N2. Here what we have to do, we have to find the N1 and N2. Okay, so once you see the answer here, so combined mean, in the previous question we have just find the combined mean, but here what we have to do means here we have to find the number of boys and number of girls. Nothing but N1 and N2 we have to find. So what the information he has given in the question, once you see here. So combined mean 60 he has given. Mean 1, what is that is? Not x1, it is a mean 1. So mean 1 is how much here? Mean 1 is, okay, mean 1 is 70 and mean 2 is 55. Mean 1 is 70 and mean 2 is how much 55 here. Okay, and n is nothing but total students in the class, that is 150. So n is nothing but there will be boys and girls, nothing but total 150 boys are nothing but total in the classroom 150 are there. So in that how many of them boys are there, how many of girls are there, that we have to find here. So n is nothing but n1 plus n2. Why I have taken here n1 plus n2 here? N1, let us think, n1 is boys, number of boys, and n2 is number of girls. So n1 plus n2, nothing but n is 150 and n is nothing but n1 plus n2 is equal to 150. Okay, listen careful ma here. Here we have to find the number of boys and number of girls here. Why? Because in the question combined mean he has given, and total number of students, how many of them are in the class, that he has given. But individually how many boys are there, how many girls are there, that he has not given in the question. So that we have to find here. So n is nothing but total students in the class 150, and that n is also nothing but n1 plus n2. So n1 plus n2 is equal to 150. Okay, now what I have done means this n1 I have taken this side. Either you can take n2 or n1. So but n1 I have taken this side. So n2 is equal to how much? 150 minus n1. So now n2 value, nothing but n2, how we have to find? 150 minus n1. So for that what we have to do? First we have to find the n1 value. Then you will be getting a n2 value. So actually what is the combined mean formula here? Combined mean is equal to n1 mean 1 plus n2 mean 2 divided by n1 plus n2. Okay, what is the combined mean formula here ma? n1 mean 1 and plus n2 mean 2 divided by n1 plus n2. So combined mean already has given the question 60, and n1 that we have to find. Mean 1, how much he has given the question? 70. Okay, and n2 value what we have got here? 150 minus n1. Nothing but in n2 place I have substituted this value 150 minus n1, and mean 2 is how much ma? 55. Okay, listen carefully here, substitution is there. So n1 already I have written as it is. Why? Because we have to find the n1 value, and mean 1 he has given in the question itself, that is 70, and n2 value how much we got here? 150 minus n1. So 150 minus n1, and mean 2 how much he has given in the question? 55. Okay, divided by n1 plus n2. n2 is nothing but again 150 minus n1. Okay, next step. Once you see the next step here, what I have done? 60 as it is I have written, 70 n1 plus 150 into 55. 150 into 55 is how much ma? 8250, and 150 into 55 into n1 is how much? 55 n1. Once again I will explain you. See, 150 into 55 is nothing but 8250. 55 into n1 is nothing but 55 n1. So here minus as it is we have to write, and here what I have done? n1 cancel ma here. n1 and n1 cancel, minus n1 and plus n1 is cancel. So leftover amount is how much? 150 here. See the next step. What I have done here? Cross multiply. 60 into 150. 60 into 150 is equal to 60 into 150 is equal to Here 70 N1 is there, 55 N1 is there. See here, 70 N1, 55 N1 is there. So 70 N1 minus 55 N1, how much we got here? 15 N1 plus 8250 as it is we have to write. Next step, what we have to do here, 60 into 150 is how much ma? 1000, and this 8250 bring this side, you will be getting minus 8250. Okay, after getting this side, it will be a minus 8250 is equal to 15 N1 as it is you write down. So 9000 minus 8250 is how much here? 750 is equal to 15 N1. Okay, now 15 N1 is equal to 750. N1 is equal to 750 divided by 15. Nothing but multiplication. After bringing this side, it will become a divided. Okay, so N1 is equal to how much? 750 divided by 15. So now N1 value is how much ma? 50. Now this N1 value we have to substitute here. We have to substitute here. Then you will be getting a N2 value. Okay, then see here. Okay, substitute N1 is equal to 50 in N2 is equal to 150 minus N1. So N2 is equal to how much? 150 minus N1, how much we got here? 50. So N2 is equal to how much ma? N2 is equal to how much? 100 here. Okay, nothing but number of boys in the class is 50 and number of girls in the class is 100. Okay, so at a time once you can't understand, please repeat the video and once again you listen and do it carefully. Okay, after that same second question also, same second question, and second means nothing but question number is 43 in the textbook. It is 43. Just I will give explanation for it. The average salary of male employees in a firm was 5200 he has given, and that of females was 4200. Average means nothing but mean. Mean 1 is 5200 and mean 2 is 4200. The average salary of all employees is 5000 he has given. Nothing but combined mean is 5000. Okay, find out the percentage of male and female employees. Nothing but number of male and number of female. Nothing but N1 and N2 you have to find here. But in the previous question, N directly he has given, but here what he has said ma? Percentage he has said na. So N you have to take 100. N you have to take the 100 and you have to find the N1 and N2. Okay, so 43 is the homework for you. Okay, do it once again. I will say it. See, mean 1 is 5200, mean 2 is 4200, combined mean is 5000 and N is 100. Clear ma? If you have any doubts, okay, you can call me.